Right, so we're back. We've come to get them bees this evening. Well, there's one going back, so they'll all be home. So we'll get them. Here's a little new surprise for everyone on the channel. We've got a new wagon. We've got a caddy van. Got it pretty cheap. It was cheap as you can get these. It's got stupidly high mileage. It's all original. I put some nice seats in it yesterday. It's been kept clean van. The bloke kept it clean. It's pretty clean. Well, it's spanking clean when I got it, but obviously I've been using it, so it's dirty. Yeah, we got a new bee wagon, the caddy van. I think it could just do with white bumpers and a nicer set of wheels. Job done. Anyway, we're gonna get these bees out of this wedding shop. Right, so yeah, they're a bit higher up. They're here. As you'll see, there is a bee. So we've got some kit. We've got some kit, and we'll get them out. Just in Bonnie, who runs it. Yeah. Right, so we've located them. There's a little ball of them. Everybody's home. They're kung fu fighting. Hiya! We've got to remove 2 long ones, which didn't really want to do. GoPro down. GoPro's crap. If you give me the frame, plan a tactic is.
And the queen was left all on her own, so she watched all of that.
This is Jessica. This is where the bees are going. Jessica's got the Bob Ross hive. Say hello.
Hello.
Jessica's in the bush with me, getting bees out of the building. We got a little cluster. It's not a big hive, big swarm. They're pretty calm. The building's a bit dilapidated, and we're standing on a Jenga tower. So I'm going to just try and scoop them and poop them and put them on the lid. Find the queen. Right, so we got the comb out and the bees, scooped them out and put them in the box. There's a cavity here, and they're all running around now. And some of them have got their asses in the air and all. So we smoke them out. Oh, we ain't set the fire alarm off. I don't know if she's in there, look, because they're coming out confused. I reckon she's in the box. Look, they're running around confused, look. Confused bees, are you confused? Right, so my GoPro's playing up, so I think I've dropped it a few too many times. We got the queen in there. She's a big fat darky queen. She's in the box, so I've hung the box up, but we've got some confused little bees up here. Let's just get some and throw them at the box. It might work. Get the old smoker and I'll smoke some. We're going to smoke them. I think they're going to get it. It's not a flamethrower now, is it? Just burn their wings. So these ones are just a bit confused. So I think if I smoke them, and then I'll put the wood panelling back on, and they should work it out. Oh, look at that. That's what you don't want the smoker to be doing. Oh my god. I've never had a smoker go so well. Yeah, let's get the wood back on. Right, so the queen's in the box with she's in a clip, so she can't get out of there. So we'll just leave that on there tonight and come back tomorrow pick it up. The bees are still coming back, thinking they're living in that house. She sticks something in that.
Yeah, but then they can't get out.
Oh yeah. Need more on the door, fanning. To tell them the queen's in there. But they might be confused because she's in a little clip. Well, she can't get out, so I don't think the bees are going to go far, are they? Look.
I know she's here somewhere.
Yeah, look, they'll work it out, won't they? They'll work it out by tomorrow.